Depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
So, may mga bagay na akala natin tama pero hindi pala. And from time to time, we are trying to figure out a lot of things that we think that we can change something but no, we're not even able to do that. So, ano ba ang topic natin today or tonight? Ang topic natin is ba't kailangan mo nang bumitaw at huwag nang umasa sa relasyon. It is literally complex and minsan may pagka-imposible. I experienced this with my clients. Sobrang imposible na sabihin sila na, or sabihan sa kanila na bumitaw na sila. Because they're still holding on or holding to something, hoping na ang relationship ay ma-fix pa or maging okay pa. Lalo na yung mga early days pa lang nakakahiwalay, so they are still expecting na someday baka ma-fix pa. And at the same time, hindi mo mapaiwas sa kanila na umasa pa. Lalo na alam nila yung mga, techniques like no contact rule, yung wag kang magre-reach out, yung mga ganun. Tapos, alam din nila na effective ito at dahil sa effect ng no contact rule, baka naman may chance pa na mabalik ko yung ex ko. You know what? It's scientifically proven na pwede magbalikan ng dalawa naghiwalay at mataas ang tendency or possibility na mag-reunite ulit sila at magkaroon ulit sila ng, alam mo yun, relationship. It's scientifically correct. And especially when you learned your lesson and you did not become needy, you learn how to respect yourself, you learn how to give a space, you learn how to, motivate yourself, live your life, you learn how to be happy. Nag-self-improve ka, talagang mataas ang chance, mataas pa sa mataas na magbalikan kayong dalawa. However, we should realize that the relationship cannot continue forever if we are not continue living. Anong ibig ko sabihin na we are not continue living? Once kasi na nasaktan ka sa breakup and you hope for something na magbalikan kayo ng ex mo, that is the time that you are going to die. Why? Because every day of your life, you are just thinking kung may chance pa ba, mababalik pa ba, magkakaayos pa ba kami. Kasi alam ko, proven and tested naman, may no contact rule, baka magbalikan pa kami. But it affects your psychological understanding about that. Instead of moving forward, nai-stay put ka sa kailaliman, napupunta ka dun sa pinaka-downfall ng life mo. Kaya, I advise instead of doing that, why don't you try to give up? It's a tough one, right? Kasi iniisip mo, once na give up mo na, wala na kayong chance ng babae or lalaki na to na magkabalikan pa. But you are incorrect. Alam nyo, sa totoo lang, once you give up, that is the time that you just give up your anxiety. Kasi kahit anong laban mo, hindi mo mapifix ang relationship kasi hindi naman ikaw ang sumira dyan. Kung ikaw ang sumira dyan, pwede mo pang ipaglaban. Pero kung hindi ikaw ang sumira, my point na hindi ikaw ang sumira, hindi ikaw ang nakipaghiwalay. Kung hindi ikaw ang nakipaghiwalay, kung hindi ikaw ang nanlamig, kung hindi ikaw ang nanira ng relasyon, wala kang dapat ipaglaban. Kasi kahit anong laban mo dyan, hindi mo mapifix yan. Kasi siya, ang ex mo ang sumira ng relasyon. Therefore, nasa access niya kung gusto niyang ayusin ang relasyon o hindi. Anong point ng pakikipaglaban mo kung wala ka naman palang access? Para kang lumalaban sa gera na wala ka naman palang kalaban. Make sense? You don't have a point. What you are just doing is you are just trying to chase something na hindi mo naman kayang mahabol kasi nga hindi naman ikaw ang sumira. Siya yung sumira niyan. At lagi niyong tatandaan sa relationship kung sino ang nanlamig, siya lang ang may access sa sarili niya para maging mainit siya. At hindi ikaw yun. Kaya, I know that there are a lot of positive feedbacks sa no contact rule. Effectiveness level is accurately good. It's quite, the best thing and hindi ko may tatanggan na umasa ka pa at huwag kang bumitaw. But the point is, you need to understand na kailangan maaga pa lang nag-give up ka na. I will tell you the truth. It is not your fight. Hindi mo laban to. Hindi mo laban to. Kasi hindi naman ikaw ang nag-give up. Matagal ka ng member ng relationship na yan. Siya ang give up, kaya laban niya yan para ipagpatuloy ang relasyon nyo. Hindi mo laban to. Laban yan ng ex mo kung gusto niya ipagpatuloy ang relasyon. Hayaan mong siya yung mag-fix dyan kasi siya naman yung sumira dyan. Laban niya yan, hindi mo laban yan. Ngayon, nagkakaganyan ka lang dahil nagiging needy ka, naging hindi ka na kasi naging independent at nawala ka sa focus, kaya you are doing the wrong thing. And what is the wrong thing? Nagpapanik ka, nadidepress ka, gumagawa ka ng paraan just to fix the relationship. But I will tell you the truth, it is not your fight anymore. Let your ex will fight for you. If your ex doesn't fight for you, then who gives a shit? You need to learn when to, don't give a shit. Kaya ina-advise ko na mentally, kailangan bumitaw ka na. Pag give up ka na, it is not your fight, it's your ex's fight. Hayaan mong ipaglaban niya kung ano meron sa relasyon nyo. It's not you. What I want you to do is just to relax, be confident, think about your future, and give up about her. Anyways, para mas mapalalim pa natin kung dapat mo bang gamitin ng no contact rule or hindi at kailangan mo ng advice, definitely I can give you that. Give us a message sa page namin sa Philippine Dating Coach. Yo! Thanks for watching.